come look at this.
What?
Check it out. I just turned this into a rocket launcher.
No, you didn't.
I did. Put the internals in here, fuel all along here, and the rocket in here. It'll totally work.
No, you didn't. Because 1, it's cardboard.
2, it came in the mail 2 days ago.
And 3, I know this because it has my Sirius Black Harry Potter poster in it.
Come on, dude, believe me. It's gonna work, like, really well.
No, it won't.
Yes,
Cardboard.
it will. Dude. See, told you it'd work.
No, it's cardboard. Oh, CGI. I don't believe it. I'm going. Don't waste my time again.